Hi Miss, I am Logi Surya of Panitselvam. Today we are here to discuss our proposal about program to cope with stress of online studying for the university students. First, background of proposal. Due to the coronavirus, the government around the world has planned to close all the educational institutions such as IPTA and IPTS to control the spread of disease. Globally, over 1.2 billion university students are affected due to COVID-19 and currently taking education remotely using digital platform. The pandemic directly impacted the field of telecommunication. It raised the use of media implications that enable such as teleconferencing, telecommuting and social relations. Without non-stop facing screens, tablets and smart devices, it can increase the stress and anxiety among the university students. The sudden changes from physical classroom to virtual space creating a disturbance among students. It's because in physical classroom, the students really connect with smartphone, laptops, tablets, but in virtual class, they must connect with their devices such as laptops, smartphones. However, the several students are finding it strong to cope with the onset of separation away from the face-to-face interactions with their teachers. Otherwise, a tech-savvy social media generation has found the transition to online academic intimating, leading to many experiencing worries, stress, as well as depression. If you are one of the millions of college students who has changed to all online courses or you have been taking them for a while, they have some steps to manage the stress as an online learner. The following proposal outlines has a program to cope stress of online studying among university students in University Malaysia Sarawak. Next, statement of need. According to Raj, 34.4% of students have felt stress sometime in the week, 22.6% of students felt stress often in the week, and 15.1% of students are always in stress due to the threat of coronavirus. Overall, 51.4% of students are stressed in this situation. 69.8% of students are stressed about their studies, while 78.5% students are not comfortable with the online classes. The World Economic Forum observed that online learning among students in today's time has increased students' attention and get more information at a faster pace. Therefore, it is proposed that COPE of online studying as a corporate social responsibility program. Students manage their stress level and develop coping methods for struggles. Next, I would like to pass with next presenter.
Hello everyone, I am Saha. Here I want to elaborate my part that is goals and objectives of our community projects. Goals number 1 is to organize a talks that can be coping stress, and the objectives of the goals is to help students manage their stress level and develop coping methods for struggles. Objective number 2 is to help students learn about their own strengths and weakness of having stress. While goal number 2 is to organize fun activities to inspire university students. And the objective of that goal is to provide healthy way, fun activities, and interesting gifts to comfort the participants who are experiencing stress. And objective number 2 is to entertain them by participating in these activities so that they can forget about their problem. The name of our program is To Cope with Stress of Online Studying for the University Students. The program will have to entertain the university students who have stress during online learning. This program launch is intended to help those experiencing stress while online learning during this COVID-19 pandemic. Not only that, as the organizer, all of us will give a talk as well as tell the experience and strengths of ourselves with the students. In addition, Various interesting activities will be done during the workshop, such as slime making, art making, movies, and quiz the drawing quizzes. As an example, the slime making and creative art making activities will conducted by the facilitator, which help to become a stress reliever to the students. The uniques of this workshop are various exciting surprises await the winners and participants, and the locations of this workshop is at home constraints that have occurred since COVID-19 pandemics using Cisco Webex Meet platform. And our target community is 50 students of University Malaysia Sarawak that have been under pressure since studying online. And date and time that program will be held on 10th July 2021 on Saturday. The program will be start at 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. by using Cisco Webex platform. Our collaborators is our company will collaborate with Sarawak Energy Berhad to organizing this workshop. The committee of our program is that the director is Logeswari Paneselvams and committee member is our group member, that is me, Saha, Crystal, Daralinda, and Hani Carolina. For SWOT analysis, the strength is as university students, we are experienced studying online as well. We are the one of the student who is spared from stress while studying online. The weakness is this is the first time we organizing a fully online workshops. The opportunity is this is an opportunity to entertain those who under stress by holding a variety of exciting activities. The truth is, the internet connection might be too bad to some students, and maybe some students are not as interested in online program. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Hani Carolina. I will explain about 5.0, which is promotional plans. There are two views for the promotional plans, which is online promotional and websites. One of promotional plan that we use to promote this program is publicity. We will post our program on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and WhatsApp for Unima students. By using this platform, it is easier for students to join the programs just by having a personal chat to ask more about the programs. Also, we create a Facebook page about the programs and create a group chat on WhatsApp to facilitate the management of participants who will be a participant of the programs. We will also create a website for the program. This is because we will provide an information about the programs more clearly on the website page. Furthermore, we will also upload some photos for memories after the programs runs on the website. This will provide a new experience and knowledge for the students. I will show you my group proportional poster. Thank you, that's all from me.
My name is Daralinda, metric number 69443. I will continue with my part, which is operational cost or budget. The approximate cost for this program are as follows. We will buy slime kit maker for 55 ringgit, including for the facilitator, which will cost 9 ringgit and 50 cents per unit. We will post the slime kit maker to Unimas, which will cost us 89 ringgit. As for the first prize, For 2 units, it will cost us 150 ringgit per unit. The second price is also for 2 units, which will cost 120 ringgit. Third price will be 2 units also, which will cost us 100 ringgit. As for the consolation price, it is for 14 units, which will cost 80 ringgit per unit. Our company also provided food packs for the student, which is for their dinner, and it also included the food packs for the facilitator, which is 55 units, and it will cost us 20 ringgit per unit. Aside from that, the facilitator will be given token of appreciation for 5 people of facilitator, which is 5 units, and it will cost 200 ringgit per unit. And for overall of the total, it will cost us 4,571 ringgit and 50 cents. As for projected income and source of income, projected income for this project is 5,000 ringgit, which is provided by the company. Another additional income received for this project is from Sarawak Energy Berhad. Thank you. I will pass it to the next presenter.
Hello, I'm Crystal Binti Aning. I will explain about anticipated outcomes from the project to the community we are assisting and also for our own organization. With this program, we expect that university students will acknowledge the proper way in managing stress. UNIMA students also will be able to adapt to new norms with a low risk of pressure. For our own organization, we hope that the image and reputation of the organization can be enhanced. Besides that, goodwill between UNIMAS and Mega Holdings Sendirian Berhad can be built.
That's all from us. Thank you for watching this video.